Hello, welcome to Platform 14. Let's take a look at apartment 327. Apartment 327 is a large 2-bedroom plus den depot floor plan, which is one of Platform 14's favorites in the community. If you're looking for a large kitchen and lots of storage, this is the floor plan for you. Let's take a look at this grand kitchen here first. You love to cook, this is the kitchen for you. Lots of counter space here and lots of cabinetry to store all your cookware. I live in this floor plan myself and I love it. I have all the appliances that you can think of out on the counter and still lots of prep space. And then my favorite part is the laundry room. Don't have a laundry closet, you have an actual room for your laundry. And then lots of storage there. And then right over here you have your den space with a big closet. Across from the kitchen, have your pantry space. And then great big dining area, plus bar space. And we have a large living space. We can fit big sofa and entertainment space. And all the rooms here have ceiling fans. Let's head into the master. Square footage here is 11 by 11. You can fit California king, 2 nightstands, and a dresser very comfortably. Then you get a large walk-in closet here. Master bath also has a lot of storage and lots of counter space. Plus linen closet. And that's me, your leasing agent, Scott. And if this is a roommate situation, this is perfect as both rooms are practically the same size. This one is 11 by 10 feet 7 inches. Also with a big walk-in closet and a shoe rack. Then second large bath, again with lots of cabinet space. This home is available now. Go ahead and call our office for more details and specials. We hope to move you in soon. Bye-bye.